Welcome back, friends. In today's video, I want to share with you how to decorate a fireplace mantle in just 4 easy steps. This look can be achieved with any pre-decorated garland. Now let's get started. I started with the old undecorated garland to use as my threshold or base to give the garland more fullness. Separate the stems to make a pocket to lay the decorated garland between. This is how your garland should look. Now this is the look after I've laid the pre-decorated garland. To connect the two garlands, I wanted to use some burlap string to accent the burlap bows throughout my garland. You can also use some green twist ties to connect the two. Not bad, friends, but maybe some burlap rope will make it pop a little bit more. This 4-step process can easily become a 3-step process if you use pre-litted garland for your base. And that's it, friends. Just 4 easy steps to create a beautiful lush garland for your fireplace or your staircase. Wherever you choose to put this garland, I'm sure it will wow you. Thank you so much, friend, for watching my very easy and simple how to decorate a fireplace mantle in just 4 easy steps. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching, friend. If you found value in my tutorial, could you give me a like and subscribe to my channel? I upload weekly all things home, lifestyle, and travel.